Then from then on, tuloy-tuloy na yun. Growing as an actress. It's a process. I love my job. I love it. I just knew that I had to make it big. Ano nga pala pangalan? Eh, wala. Alin. Di ba sobrang lang kapal? Hindi totoo yan. Tanya, bumalik ka kayo. Wala. Dahil wala kayong alam. Ako to eh. Ever since bata ako, ito na ang gusto ko.
From the Folk Arts Theater, let us take you on a spectacular journey. The birthday celebration of Miss Claudine Barreto, the journey of my heart. Starting off together with the Hot Legs, Patrick, Carlo, John Lloyd, Danilo, and Paolo, with the Hugs!
just don't care. Let's raise the roof. Whatever you want to try, it's all good with me. No, it's all good with me. Nothing you can do now. Pump it up to the left. Pump it up to the right. Pump it up. Everybody, pump it up. Come on, pump it up. Put it up. Pump it up. Let me see ya. Pump it up. Here we go. Pump it up. We were dancing all night long. We were dancing all night long. Music pumping and the pumping and the playing our favorite song. We were dancing all night long. We were dancing all night long. Music pumping and the pumping and the playing our favorite song. We were dancing all night long. We were dancing all night long.
Let the
here to stay. We can make it last forever, baby. Our love will stand the test of time. In the middle of a world, I'll be waiting for you to be all mine. We're walking on sunshine in the middle of the night, and it feels like I'm somewhere above the sky. Take my hand, close your eyes. Say the sweet little things that make me cry. Catch my tears with a kiss. These special moments do exist. We can make it last forever, baby. Our love will stand the test of time. In the middle of a world, I'll be waiting for you to be all mine. We're walking on sunshine in the middle of the night, and it feels like I'm somewhere above the sky. Let's take a chance and try love, baby. No, I'm not giving up till you tell me that you'll be in my life until the end of time.
Ipaglalaban ng kaibigan. An exceptional act.
Struck me as a very dainty, delicate, young girl.
Claudine is makapamilya. She spends a lot of time with her family even though she's really busy. She's very thoughtful.
She's always been a good singer, a good actress.
The best mahusay na actress. Kapatid ko yan. Always full of passion.
Madadala ka sa husay niya. Understanding.
Si Claudine talaga yung klase ng star na actress.
A brave woman.
Isang mabait na anak.
She deserves to be happy.
Super sweet siya.
A beautiful person inside and out.
Claudine is a very professional actress.
Walang kayabang-yabang sa katawan. Madali mo siyang mamahalin.
Selfless.
Sana naman pagsamahin na kami ng star cinema sa pelikula.
Thoughtful.
Loyal na kaibigan.
Always honest about what she feels. Kind-hearted.
Kalaban. One of my favorite actresses.
Hindi siya plastic, saka she's like a sister to me.
Gusto ko talagang magkontrabida pag siya ang bida.
Napakayaman sa karanasan.
A strong person.
A strong person. Totoong-totoo yan.
Very sensitive.
The best friend one can ever have.
I'm gonna be happy. Can't you see I'm happy now? Can't you see I'm happy now?
let me take you to a journey. The journey of my heart. The journey of my 23 years of existence. Tonight, I'm going to share with you my most important day. My celebration and my life. So join me and my friends, ladies and gentlemen. We'll all be happy as we party all night long. Maraming salamat ho!
Oh, yes.
The journey through Claudine's heart begins as the party is joined by Gretchen and Marjorie Barreto with tonight's hosts, the Hunks and Mr. Edo Manzano when we return.
I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be happy.
Okay. Oh, alam mo yung birthday boy diet, dapat di ka makulangan kasi halos lahat ng artista sa industriya ay nandito ngayon nakikipag-celebrate ng birthday ni Miss Claudine Barreto.
Yes, of course, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our mom, Miss Charo Santos Concho.
Ma'am Charo.
Hi, ma'am. Miss Cory Vidanes.
Tita Cory.
Okay guys, alam niyo napapansin ko, para kasing merong kulang eh. Oh, hindi niyo napapansin?
Hindi mo naman yata ako naintindihan eh. Sinabi ko nga sa'yo, halos lahat ng artista sa industriya nandito ngayon nakikiselebrate sa atin.
Tama yun.
Hindi pare, alam ko yung ibig sabihin niya ni Diet eh. Parang parang kulang tayo eh.
Bakit?
Hindi, ngayon lang, parang kulang tayo ngayon.
Bakit? May additional member ba tayo?
Uy,
Kompleto tayo.
alam mo ba meron eh.
Hindi. Meron ako ng balitaan. Nag-a-apply siya. Kaso overqualified.
Oo.
Pero dahil mahal niya si Claudine, sasamahan niya tayo ngayong buong gabi.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, please welcome
Mr. Edu Manzano!
What's up, y'all?
Siya nga yung nag-audition kanina.
What's up, y'all?
Ano yung sasabihin mo?
You want more? You want more?
Do you want some more?
Sabi ni Echo, do you want more?
Actually, alam naman, mga kaibigan, friends, good evening sa inyong lahat. Actually, well, hindi naman sa nag-a-apply ako sa Hunks. Kasi, pakakaalam ko kasi, ibang grupo to eh. Ako dati kasi, The Punks.
The Punks ako
dati.
pare.
Ayan. So, that's why. But, as you know, kasi nakakaya naman kung bigla ako makikipagkompetensya sa inyo dahil sa nakikita ko, walang-wala ako sa kategorya nyo.
Wala eh. Ganito lang nakayanan namin eh.
Sobra-sobra ka nga, Chief.
Walang-wala.
Nakakaya.
Dito, man.
How can we be the man with youth, man?
And ngayon naman, here we are. Pag-uusapan naman natin si Claudine. And kakaya naman si Claudine if we don't go on with the show kasi at this point, since we're speaking of family. Family, alam nyo guys, ngayon ako naniniwala na napakalaki. Sa nakikita ko, napakalaki ng pamilya ni Claudine.
Oh, grabe. Almost 200 stars na nandito ngayon sa Folk Arts at 7,000 fans! Alright, we're gonna party right here in Folk Arts.
Sindami ng isla ng Pilipinas, pare. 7,000.
Ang dami, no, Kuya Edu?
At pagpamilya po ang pag-uusapan, hindi ang biro-biro kay Claudine. Kasi gitna ng kanyang buhay, ang lahat ng kanyang pamilya. Ang kanyang mga kaibigan, kayo, mga nandito, at higit sa lahat, ang kanyang tunay na pamilya. Pero sino nga ba si Claudine bilang isang Barreto? Ano siya bilang anak at kapatid? Let us continue the journey to Claudine's heart, her family. Watch this.
A family that has captured our hearts. The Barreto family. From Iloilo comes the fiery Estrella, daughter of Rhea Santiago and Enrique Castelo. From Zambales comes the unruffled Miguel, son of Ana Alvier and Antonio Barreto. Fire and water. This is their combination that produced 7 kids. First came Miguel Antonio or Mito. Then came Michi or Michelle Antoinette. 2 years after, JJ or Joaquin Jose came into the family. Geraldine Patricia or Gia came 7 years after. Followed by Gretchen Marie. After 4 years, Marjorie Bernadette was born. A 7th child was no longer expected since Mommy Inday was already 42 years old. But in July 20, 1979, at the wee hours of the morning, a bouncing baby girl weighing just over 7 pounds became the 7th blessing to the family. She was named Claudine Margaret. Claudine is a perfect combination of both her parents. Very early on, she manifested the best traits of her mom and dad. From Daddy Miguel, Claudine got her responsibility, her compassion, and vulnerability. From Mommy Inday, her passion for expression and her thoughtfulness.
Yeah, ang kapal ng mukha niya before. You make her sing, she'll sing right away in front of everybody. So she's always been like that.
She admires her brother Mito's aggressiveness, was taught to fight for her rights by Gretchen and Marjorie, but was also taught to be calm and diplomatic by Mitchie and JJ. And she was inspired by the intelligence and hard work shown by Gia. She makes it a point that they have time together.
Talagang hindi lumaki ulo niya, not once. She's very thoughtful and she calls up the house all the time. And then when she's free, she brings us out all the time and a lot of gifts. Maraming regalo all the time.
The youngest Barreto daughter is also enjoying her role as an auntie and a grandmother.
She loves our family so much. She never forgets us. Protective and sometimes strict. Kasi hanggang ngayon, binibaby niya pa ako eh.
Of course, we know them as a family that is always there for each other through good times and bad. But the one thing that really brings them together, food.
Claudine, she likes eating, yes. Actually, she doesn't really get so fat, but she eats so much talaga. So that's why we like eating out.
And another thing that as a family they are truly proud of is none other than Claudine.
Just when you thought that her talent is incomparable, the Barreto family proudly says that this is nothing compared to her heart.
Ladies and gentlemen, the very lovely Barreto sisters, Gretchen, Marjorie, and Claudine.
There's so many songs about rainbows. What's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. Rainbows have nothing to hide. Though we
Mga kaibigan, Miss Gretchen, Miss Marjorie, at ating prinsesa, Miss Claudine.
Hi, good evening. Edu.
Happy birthday. Hi, Marge.
Thank you.
Mare.
Hi, Edu.
Hello, Miss Gretchen. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hindi nyo po alam kung gaano kami kasi ni Claudine sa dami ng suporta na nakita namin ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday,
Thank you.
Ang ganda tignan, no? Kayong tatlo na smiling, parang sincere yung batian ninyo. Yun talaga, happy birthday! Ang tigas-tigas yung pangan ninyo.
Kanina pa kasi kami natetense.
Yeah. Medyo okay na.
Okay na. Natapos na yung opening number ni Claudine, so medyo nakahinga na kami.
No, you know, but I'm sure it has not always been a bed of roses sa inyong tatlo, di ba? I mean, I'm sure kahit papano, there have been moments kung saan nakakaroon ng konting hindi pagkakaunawaan. Di ba? But before you do that, siguro we should share that with some very special people in your lives who I know mahal na mahal mo. Mga kaibigan, please welcome ang mga pamangkin. Si Dominic, si Julia, at si Daniela.
Mga anak namin.
Come, Daniela.
Little Marjorie, Little Claudine, at Little Gretchen yung mga yan.
Diba? Come.
Take this out. Clau, and Little Clowie.
Come, stay here. Stay with Mommy. Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. Oh, say
Tingnan mo nga
hi.
naman. Hindi na kayo magtatanong kung sino ang susunod sa kanilang mga yapak. Nandirito po. A royal family indeed.
Smile,
Okay. This is Dominique, this is Claudia, this is Julia, and Daniela.
Daniela.
Yan.
Oh, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. Happy birthday, Ate Christine.
Say I love you.
I love you.
I love ya.
Okay mga kaibigan, ito po, sample pa lang to what's in store for you this evening. Huwag po kayo alis dahil hindi pa po tapos ang party ni Claudine. Siyempre kapag may kainan, may roasting. At si Miss Claudine ang ating iro-roast. Kaya stay tuned.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Up next, get up close and personal with Claudine. Discover her funny side with Eugene Simang Domingo, Candy Pangilinan, Angela Velez, Smokey Manaloto, Boy Quezon, Justin Cuyugan, and Dennis Padilla.
Please kiss me some more. I like the way you do me.
Welcome back to Claudine's birthday bash right here in Folk Arts Theater. And Claudine, gaano mo ba kakilala si Simang? I mean, gaano kayo ka-close?
Medyo lang. Hindi masyado.
Hindi
Magkasama
masyado?
lang naman kami twice a week, pero okay na rin.
Talaga?
Hindi, close na rin, close. Ganon kami ka-close, para na siyang Barreto sister.
Airtight.
Kasi oo, kasama na siya sa Barretos.
Talaga? Well,
Eugene
Claudine,
Barreto.
na-imagine mo ba yung sarili mo na mapunta ka dun sa sapatos ni Simang?
Hindi. Hindi.
Talagang hindi?
Hindi, kasi ayoko mag-yoga buong araw. Yun lang ang ginagawa niya.
Alam mo, Clau, kasi itong si Simang, nangangarap pala na maging ikaw. As in, sa sobrang atat niya na maging ikaw, hindi na nga siya nagpaalam sa'yo, ginawa na lang niya.
Ganon?
Oo.
May surprise siya?
May surprise siya, panoorin natin to.
At kahit isang araw lang, nagpupumilit siya subukan kung paano pakiramdam na maging isang Claudine Barreto. Kung paano mangyayari, panoorin natin to.
Si Mang!
Ay, good morning, Day. Good morning, Lip Balm.
Bathroom ko yan.
Mostly sa breakfast, fried rice. Siyempre maraming maraming garlic saka hotdog o kaya bacon.
O, alis na ako ha, Rosenda, Rosario, Rosemary. Ingatan ng bahay, mga bata.
Gusto niyan, laging pag umalis kami, lagi nakapultak yung van.
O, Alex, G.A., tignan mo lang, tapos kumain na kayo, ha?
Okay.
Kayo, paano kung gusto mo kainin? Late ba?
whenever she finds time, alam ko naman very busy yung schedule niya. She always finds time to come here to Moisaka for her facial.
G, lip balm please.
Pupunta siya dito, nagpapamanicure siya, nagpapa-foot spa, and then at the same time, nagpapa-back massage siya para ma-relax siya. Pero napansin ko sa kanya, hilig niya maglagay ng lip balm.
Hi, Gracia, where are you? How are you? Ah, really? Yeah. Oo. Big time. Yes, yeah. Girl, nakita tayo, girl. Alex? Alex, dayaan na lang natin. Darling, hard. Hard. Yes. G, lip balm. Lip balm.
Madalas kayo punta ni Kadi sa mga coffee shops, pero hindi nga lang coffee na order niya, kundi hot tea. Mahilig siya sa pastries, pati rin sa pastas.
Paano ba siya tayo? Yes naman, pakainin mo na nga ako. Ang payat-payat ko na nga, mukha na nga akong walking dead eh.
Ay, nakakapagod naman pala mag-day off. Bukas na lang ako matutulog pagdating ko sa taping.
Hello? Ano ba? Wala pa ba si Claudine? Tawagin na si Claudine, come on. Mag-umpisa na yung take natin, come on. Tawagin na si Claudine, please.
Ready or not, here I come. Ako'y medyo sick. Gusto sana hospital na. Kaso baka matalaka ni Direk. Puyat ka na naman. Ay bagmalita sa kakatrabaho.
enough is enough is enough. Tama ng TV, ito naman sa movie. Enough is enough is enough. Aga, let's take this!
Kaya pala, dumating na pala si Aga. Nung eksena.
Oh, love story to ha? This is a love story, okay? I want to listen. Take this, roll.
Ikaw naman ang kalahtin ko. Dito'y tibok ng puso ko. Maging tibok ng puso mo.
Sweetness. Happy moments. Happy moments.
Ako'y napapa.
Lively. Come on, Claudine.
Pagkapiling kita. Ako'y napapa.
That's good.
Ako'y napapa.
Take it.
Sa kakyutan mo, Aga.
I like it. Drama. I want some tears. Tears. I want some tears, okay?
Dadalhin kita sa aking palaso.
Heartfelt. Tears.
Bubusugin kita sa sarap
More.
ng
Take this.
ang lahat ng ito'y
Taking it.
para lang sa'yo.
Segue to kissing scene.
Aray! Aray ko! Sakit naman na ginawa mo. Aray ko! Pinapangit mo naman ang alaga ko.
I think they're okay. Take it. Take this. Take this. Take this.
I will go for you. I can bring you away from here.
Okido. 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 Print that.
Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need Claudine sa aking taping.
Pausa mula dito or else ko'y maloloka. Please na, kami na muna. Pelikula'y matagal na loka. Ito ka, Claudine. Dito ka. We have to finish this movie.
But it's too late, Rory. Now it's too late.
We have to finish this.
Ulitin pa aking delay.
No, 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 no way. No, 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 no way. I'm living without her. Take this. Take this.
I wish that I could cry, fall on my knees. Tigilan na ninyo ang away na ito. I wish ako'y bird at lilipad lang from one location to another one. It's not easy to be me. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Come on, say God, that's our word, right? 6 minutes ang sa'yo.
60 minutes din sa'kin. 3 sequences tayo. Yan ba ay okay sa'yo?
Direct Glory, I'm okay. I'm okay. Direct Gwen, okay. Direct Glory, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Ay, sa schedule.
What's up, ito na? Here she comes, ganyan si Claudine. May sakit na, o puyat pa. Tuloy ang trabaho, di ka ibibigin ito.
Okay, take na tayo.
Big time celebration with Claudine's second family, ABS-CBN, with Miss Charo Santos Concho, the Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano, and no less than the Comedy King, Dolphy, when we return with The Journey of My Heart.
Kilala rin ng mga taga Davao ang Ang TV dahil kay Claudine Barreto.
Isa lamang sa cast ng Ang TV si Claudine. 13 years old lang siya noon. Tipikal na bata, may sariling klase ng kakulitan.
Ay naku, buta na lang at bati na kayo ni Jolina.
O diba? Sino ba namang mag-aakalang itong batang ito, balang araw, ay magiging isang superstar?
Okay, welcome back to ASAP. Alam mo, Ali. Time disco namin.
Sama ka? Hindi naman nagpapasweldo na 31, madalas.
Oh ha, Claudine? Ganda-ganda natin ngayon. Sobrang
Tamis talaga yan.
Oo naman. Then maybe, you could have been truly happy.
Nasundan ang paglabas niya sa mga sitcom at musicals, sa Okdok at sa Home Along, sa MTV, sa ASAP. Itong dating dalagita lang na cute at nakakaaliw, naging season performer na. At nang pumasok ang teleserye ito sa ABS-CBN, yan ang naging crowning glory niya. It has been a very long, very fruitful 15 years na naging consistent #1 network ang ABS-CBN. And I am more than proud to say, 10 sa mga glorious years na ito ay naging malaking bahagi si Claudine. Special day, I'd like to thank you, Claudine. We are more than glad because you have stayed with us for a long time. Because you treated ABS-CBN like your own family. At syempre, because we believed and continue to believe in you. We love you, Claudine. Happy birthday.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano, and the King of Comedy, Dolphy.
You wear your hat, the way you sip your tea, the memory of all that. No, they can't take that away from me. The way your smile just speaks, the way you sing off key, the way you haunt my dreams. No, they can't take that away from me. We may never meet again on that bumpy road to love. But I'll always keep the memory of the way you hold your knife, the way we dance till free, the way you change my life. Hey, no, they can't take that away from me. No, they can't take that away from me.
Sa showbiz, hindi mahirap makakilala ng mga kaibigan. Pero ang mahirap dyan ay kung paano pahabain at palalalimin ang pakikitungo nyo sa isa't isa. To the point ba na magiging pamilya na ang turingan ninyo sa isa't isa? Kaya't iba ang nagiging pakiramdam ko Sa tuwing makikita ko si Claudine at si Maria dito sa bakuran ng ABS-CBN. Mga anak ko yung mga yan. Nakita ko silang lumaki sa piling ko. Hindi ba kami nakakasamang madalas sa trabaho? Pero nalalaman ko na ako'y minamahal nila at alam din nila na mahal ko sila. Mga kaibigan, ginagagal ako ipakilalang muli sa inyo ang minamahal kong mga anak, si Shirley at si Bing.
Happy birthday!
Hindi ako ang may birthday.
Happy birthday. Ha?
Claudine ang may birthday.
Talaga?
Ako.
Ay, happy
siya.
birthday.
Siya.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ate Maria, for being here. Alam mo, kompletong-kompleto na talaga yung birthday ko. At syempre si Tatay Dolphy sa VTR niya. And Ma'am Charo, thank you so much dun sa message.
Yes.
At sa ano. Oo.
Ikaw, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan.
No,
Hindi, nagtatanong lang ako.
nagpapasalamat ako at nakita kita. Di ba?
Nako.
Okay, pero ikaw ba nakapagbati ka ng talagang...
Aba, ako bumati. Ewan ko sa'yo. Bumati ka na.
Kanina pa.
Hindi, ako, seriously. Ako,
But,
gusto ko sana mag-dialogue. Mag-greet ako. Okay? Okay. Ang wish ko sa'yo, Claudine, maging happy ka pa at magkaroon ka ng kapayapaan.
Thank you, Ate. I love you, Ate. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ate, for being here tonight. Maraming salamat. And before anything else, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga dumating ngayon at sa mga nasa labas. Alam kong umuulan at alam ko po na naririnig niyo po ako. Punong-puno na po at hayaan niyo ho, kahit na nasa labas kayo, kasama ko pa rin ho kayo sa aking puso. Thank you so much.
Pero yung iba
Thank
dyan,
you.
kung gusto, pwede pang umabot sa kanilang mga tahanan para buksan ang kanilang mga telebisyon at panoorin.
Yes.
Pero,
Naiiba ang kwento
Guy,
pag
hinta mo
nandito
ang
siya.
iyong sarili kasi dahil nandito na po, mga kontrabida ng buhay mo. Mga kontrabida ng buhay mo at magkakalat sila ng lagim.
Invited
Mamaya-maya
sila.
na po. Samahan mo kami sa aming pagbabalik.
Thank you. Ba yun?